Peace to you all, and thank you for being here. What I want to share today is not meant to challenge faith, deny scripture, or divide believers. It is a reflection on ancient language, memory, and the God of Abraham, as he was known long before our traditions separated. This is about remembrance, not replacement. To understand Abraham, we must understand his world. Abraham came from Mesopotamia, the ancient Near East, the birthplace of civilization, writing, and theology. This was not a world without God. It was a world deeply aware of divine order, kingship, justice, and eternal being. At the center of this world stood one supreme divine name, Ashur. For thousands of years, Ashur was the proper name of the supreme god in Assyria and Mesopotamia. Ashur was not a local or tribal deity. He represented sovereignty, cosmic order, and the source of all divine power. What are often called other gods can be understood as attributes or expressions of Ashur, not rivals. In the ancient world, unity and multiplicity were not contradictions. Ashur stood above all. The Bible tells us Abraham came from Ur. He did not speak Hebrew. He lived before Moses. He knew God before Sinai. So we must ask, what name did Abraham use when he spoke to God? In Mesopotamia, the supreme divine name was already known, Ashur. From this perspective, the God who called Abraham was not new, but already known by name. Centuries later, Moses encounters God at the burning bush. When Moses asks for God's name, the response is recorded as Ehyeh, Ashur. This is often translated as I am that I am, but that is a later interpretive rendering. From an Ashurit linguistic perspective, the most ancient language context shared by Abraham and Moses, Ehyeh is not a name. It is a state of being. It means enduring, ever-present, living. God is not introducing a new name. He is describing how he is. Ashur is the proper name. Ehyeh describes Ashur's eternal state of being. In this reading, the meaning is not I am that I am, but Ashur is living. Ashur endures. Ashur is alive. Across the Abrahamic traditions, we use many sacred words. Elohim, Yahweh, Allah. These are all holy and meaningful, but linguistically, they are titles and descriptions, not proper personal names. Ashur is different. Ashur is a proper noun, preserved and spoken for thousands of years. A name carries identity across time. This is not a call to abandon Torah, Gospel, or Qur'an. It is a call to remember. Before division, there was origin. Before titles, there was a name. If unity among the Abrahamic faiths is possible, perhaps it begins not by arguing doctrine, but by remembering the ancient name beneath us all, Ashur. May this remembrance draw us closer to the one God and to one another. Peace be upon you all. Ehyeh, Ashur.